Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Slack integration problems with Slack, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying the specific integration issues you're experiencing with Slack. Check if the integration service is currently operational by visiting their status page. Ensure that your workspace settings allow for third-party integrations. Verify that you have the necessary permissions to manage integrations in Slack. Log into your Slack account and navigate to the App section in the sidebar. Locate the integration that is causing problems and click on Review the authentication credentials for the integration. If you see an authentication error, attempt to reauthorize the integration by following the prompts. Check for any recent changes to the integration settings on either Slack or the external service. If applicable, update the integration to its latest version to ensure compatibility. Test the integration after making any changes to see if the issue persists. If the problem is not resolved, consult the help documentation for the integration. Many integrations have troubleshooting sections that may provide specific solutions. If the documentation does not help, reach out to the customer support for the integration service. Provide detailed information about the problem you're encountering for a quicker resolution. Keep an eye on any notification from Slack or the integration service regarding known issues. If the integration still does not work, consider removing and reinstalling it from your workspace. After reinstalling, reconfigure the settings and test functionality again. Document any steps taken and notes on errors for future reference or troubleshooting. If issues continue, engage with user forums or community discussions for additional support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.